What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to replace our WordPress native search boxes, search engine that did not work well, and replace with a fuzzy search. How to add a fuzzy search to our WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this one with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do is learning what is fuzzy search. Fuzzy search is a thing that you can engine, a technique, library that you can replace the native search. For example, imagine that you search for something and you did made some grammar error, okay? You mistyped something, okay? So the fuzzy search gonna show you the results of what you are looking for. For example, if you type cat with 2 C's or you type in a wrong grammar, they gonna still show you the cat search results, okay? So even if you try to search for synonyms of pages, okay? For example, if you are talking about animals and you have a post about dogs, if the person search for animal, even if they misspell the animal typo, WordPress gonna shows the final user the result of the cat post or your dog post, okay? And it is. So how to get this started? First, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on Add New. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to the keyword into search plugins, we're gonna type relevancy, okay? Just like this. And this is the guide that we are looking for, relevancy, a better search. This plugin overall works great for free and do tons of good for your WordPress search things. It empowers your WordPress search, okay? So if you run a blog with a lot of posts and users are having problems searching for your content, this plugin gonna fix a lot of problems, okay? And right after you install the plugin, just refresh your page and you're gonna be able to see into your WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over settings, and you're gonna be able to see next to privacy the relevancy field. Go right here. So right here we have the overview, the indexing, the attachment, and our most important field right here, the tab of searching. And scroll down just a little bit, and right here we have keyword matching. This is where the fuzzy search starts. Normally your site gonna have whole words, so your WordPress will only show the word if the user type this properly. For example, if you write a post about a Tesla, the post about Tesla will only display it on the search results page if the user type Tesla. But if you type partial words right here, so the most important is select partial words, you're gonna enable the fuzzy search. After this, all we have to do is scrolling down and save your options, okay? After this, you have the fuzzy search working great. But if you want, you can move to the synonymous tab and apply synonymous, just like this, okay? The format here is key equal value, so dog equal hood. So you can, even using the fuzzy search database already on the plugin fields, you can type more tips to this database right here. Simple, easy, fast, and effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case you don't have any question. Don't forget to check out our Burns WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, and templates, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can help to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. Our Sites Gallery, a place where we can promote your site for free. And in the case that you want to go premium, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire library of tools, including hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, premium blocks, assets, layouts, templates, support, and plugins. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. All the best.